Good morning. I'm going to demonstrate how I make a schedule for my children. There's a list above. First, I cut up paper, so they are small sheets. I color them with crayons and use pencil to draw my shapes. Each child has their own color, so does the parents. This way, the kids see their colors and they know what kind of activities they have. I use basic drawings for the phone, for computer time, or for schoolwork. I draw a box with a little box screen. If there's special schoolwork or meetings, I write that underneath. After they're done, they get a break and they have free time, which is a question mark. We go to the school for lunches. That way they see the building, and when it's time to return, then they don't have any anxiety. They do have speech, and they call it pop, so I draw a little lollipop, and each time is a different color, so the child knows what's there. If we're doing other activities like swimming, I'll draw a pool. If we go outside, I'll use a ball shape, swings. If we're going for a walk, you could do little footprints. You could write people's names down if you're going to go visit them. So next then, I open up my sheet and I put all of them on the photo cover. Then I close it. I make any adjustments. I go over with the children and I tell them what's expected of them. We talk about the day and what they desire to do the next day, so I could put an extra special treat. Sometimes there's mommy and daddy time in there. If the father has to go to work, that's also included. I will also have a floating time, so then it could adjust throughout the day. I do put the schedule by a digital clock so they could see it and take the time out.